Hey guys, it's 2001 from Just Ride. We are here. We're in Lake Denison, and we are going to try out the chains today. Whew, let's go, buddy. Man, what a beautiful day, huh? Yeah, it is. We're all clipped in now. We're good. We're good. Just having fun out on the lake. Yeah, baby. This way, against the wind. We're running against the wind. This gets quite rooty down here. See how it handles it. All right, they do get the gate open. That's for in case we get more snow for the snowmobiles. I hope they didn't open it just for the deforesting. This should be the Ranger's four-wheel drive tracks. Ooh, soft here. Let's go. My day is over. Come on. Oh, wow. Yeah, the heart rate went up, that's for sure. Come on. Fight the good fight. How's it going? Oh, that's cool.
All right,
Like I said, let's get together soon,
Yeah,
all right,
sir,
buddy?
definitely, yeah.
You know, let's get together
Good to see you.
soon.
I'm glad I caught you. I knew you were coming up here, and I said, I'll try to go up there, and I saw your car, and I go, oh, he is here. So I'm glad I did see you, though.
Well, all right, you're headed.
Even I just get a mile or two.
Yeah, which way you headed?
I'm just going to do, I might try a little Wetmore, and that's
All right,
it.
I'll
Not
go
much.
with you, man. I've just been playing around all day. I just play around, that's all. I have too much fun, man. Let me get my saddle up. Oh yeah. All right, here's Wetmore. I gotta get through the. I lost track of that trail. Hello, doing that. Going from light to shade, you lose track. And if you go straight, we can loop up to this. It'll work out right, well, we're gonna take a right at the top of this hill and it'll bring us right on this trail. Triangle. Oh, that was not good. Oh. Whew. Ooh. Huh? Whew. Just having fun out in the woods. Yeah, baby. Hey, wait a minute. This ain't the woods. This is a lake. Woo, look at this, huh?
George, we're on a lake.
Hey, who put the lake out here? Someone put the lake in the middle of the woods. Isn't it great out here? Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Good day for a ride. I'm glad we met up, man. Perfect timing.
I'm super happy.
Perfect timing.
And I did. I sat home going, maybe just rest, because I got to serve tomorrow on the outdoor parking crew.
Yeah.
So I was like, I don't want to get you worse, this and that. I go, I got to get out of the house.
Fresh air is good for you, man.
Yeah. I got to get out of the house. I want to get some wood. I didn't really feel like doing the hike thing.
Right.
So as soon as I get to my room with the bike throw away, I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, I got a ride-by video on the ice with my bike earlier. Trying to follow one of these sled tracks out of here.